How often have you craved a comforting bowl of soup but found yourself deterred by the time and effort it takes to prepare it? The Philips Soup and Smoothie Maker, with its ingenious technology, promises to change your soup game entirely. Imagine fresh, homemade soup at your fingertips in as little as 18 minutes. This is a culinary revolution that's long overdue, and it's here to make your life simpler and more flavorful. Satisfying more than just soup cravings, the Philips Soup and Smoothie Maker is not just a soup-making marvel. It's a versatile kitchen companion that elevates your culinary repertoire. With 6 preset programs, you can explore a variety of delicious creations: pureed soup, chunky soup, cold soup, compote, smoothies, and milk-based soup. And if you thought this appliance was just for soups, think again, it moonlights as a countertop blender too. Click the link below to explore the full product specifications. Healthy homemade soups made easy. If you're concerned about the ingredients in canned soups, you're not alone. With the Philips Soup and Smoothie Maker, you can take control of your soup's ingredients and create wholesome, flavorful concoctions. Soup lovers can indulge in classics like potato, broccoli, tomato, miso, and chicken noodle soup, knowing exactly what goes into their bowl. Unlock the world of culinary creativity, feeling adventurous. Dive into the 38 recipes included in the recipe book, complete with expert tips. These recipes cover a wide array of flavors and styles, ensuring that you'll never run out of culinary inspiration. What's more, 13 of these recipes are designed for a soup to cleanse, marked with a special leaf icon. It's your path to nourishing your body and soul with revitalizing soups. Designed for perfection, what sets the Philips Soup and Smoothie Maker apart is its unique blade design, which guarantees perfectly textured soups and smoothies. Whether you prefer velvety purees or hearty chunky soups, this appliance has you covered. With a generous 1.2-liter capacity, you can whip up a meal for 2 or appetizers for 4, making it ideal for everyday cooking or entertaining. Kitchen innovation made for the USA. This kitchen innovation is designed for the USA with a voltage of 110, 120, and a powerful 1000-watt motor. It's more than a gadget, it's your culinary partner, tailored to meet the needs of your American kitchen. In conclusion, the Philips Soup and Smoothie Maker, with its ease of use, versatility, and capacity for culinary exploration, is an exceptional addition to any kitchen. It brings the charm of homemade soups and smoothies right to your table without the hassle and guesswork of traditional cooking. If you're looking to expand your culinary horizons, make healthier meal choices, and savor the convenience of a smart kitchen appliance, this is your answer. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.